and giving us your views. Let me quickly take it to how markets have done today and try and sum this up. A percent lower on the Nifty 50 index is what we've seen, but we started to see green shoots, at least in broader markets, and a decent kind of a move. We started the last hour or so of trade with the Nifty mid-cap and small-cap indices very close to the flat line. The mid-cap index is now up 0.25%. So I'm taking more positives than negatives from everything that's playing out at this point. The IT index is up around 0.5% thereabouts. The Nifty mid-cap, I did mention, up around around 0.25%. I beg your pardon. When you're looking at the Nifty Bank, that's where a bulk of the pressure resides. And even when you're looking at contributors, it's the Nifty Bank's contributors, the heavyweights, which are weighing down on the index. HDFC, ICICI together contributing over 100 negative points to the Nifty 50's move today. L&T is the other one, 30 points. Reliance, SBI, when you've got some of those names or all of those names sitting in the red, you'll more often than not see pressure on the index. That's exactly what we've seen. The breadth also turned much better towards the fag end. Again, looking at the glass half full than half empty, where we've seen the advanced decline now very close to 1:1, even on the index as a whole. The index was around 1,300 1,300 odd declines to around 900 odd advances. Now we're seeing around 1,200 to 1,100. So it's a much better ratio that we're looking at in terms of advanced decline. Kind of drives that home. In terms of the Nifty 500 basket, though, you're seeing largely stable in terms of the advanced decline. 230 advances to 270 declines at this point. Sectorally, I spoke about IT a wee bit, but defense was the one that really stood out. 1.6% higher. The Nifty metal was up 1.1%. The Nifty pharma index was up 0.6%. The Nifty bank, the Fin Nifty, the PSU banking index were all down over 1% because that's where the pressure actually came from. That is evident. The Nifty auto was also down 0.6% after the kind of move we saw yesterday. The realty index was also down around 0.6%. The realty index actually had a very choppy day, was in the green for a bit and then has switched back to the red. So that's how it's played out. Of course, all eyes will be on the Nifty IT index tomorrow, with TCS, the largest weighted stock, coming out with numbers, and that will give us a sense, and commentary of course, and that will give us a sense as to how the IT index will probably move over the next week or so, Aisha.
Yeah, absolutely. 1.5% lower for the Nifty Bank, and that clearly has been the biggest underperforming leg in the market today. But on that note, we're going to wind it up right here in this edition of Closing Trades. Thank Arpit, Aditya, as well as Kunal for joining in. And we'll see you again with all the market action tomorrow morning at 8 a.m.